Hey there, today's tutorial is about SSN and name match. This is a tool you can use especially if you are a business owner trying to verify the identity of your potential hires or business partners. It's located under Business Services, SSN Verification, and then Match SSN and Last Name. Please note that in order to use this tool, you have to have SSN verification access. If you don't, you can apply for it. The application fee is $47. So you just need to enter the social security number they provided here, and then the last name, and then you can click search now. Okay, here is the sample report. It will tell you if it's a match or no match. It will also tell you the associated names, the date of birth, cities lived, the social security number status, and when and where the SSN was issued, and it will also tell you if the person is deceased. And you're done. You'll easily find out if they are who they say they are. Thank you guys for watching.